It was a cold December night in the year 620 AD when the people of ancient Japan looked up and froze in disbelief. Across the dark sky stretched a massive red mark, glowing like fire, shaped eerily like a pheasant's tail. Some called it a divine warning. Others whispered it was a sign of blood. No one knew that this mysterious red sign would baffle historians and scientists for the next 1400 years. Tonight we reopen the case, the forgotten mystery of the red sign of Japan. The record is short, just one chilling line found in Japan's oldest historical chronicle, Nihon Shoki. It says, on December 30th, 620, a red sign appeared in heaven. Its length was more than 1 jo, and its shape was like a pheasant's tail. That's it. No drawings, no explanations, just that one red mark stretching across the sky, haunting the pages of history. For the people of that time, the sky wasn't just weather, it was the voice of the gods. So when this fiery pattern appeared, they feared something terrible was coming. Fast forward 1400 years. Modern scientists decide to reopen this ancient cold case. You could say the court of science was now in session. The charge? A celestial disturbance with no clear cause. Investigators brought forward the first witnesses, the old texts. They examined every word. Red, pheasant tail, longer than 10 degrees. It didn't sound like a comet. Comets move slowly and stay for days. It didn't sound like a meteor either. Those burn out in seconds. So what could glow red, wide across the night sky, and vanish without a trace? Some early researchers claimed it was a volcanic glow or a distant forest fire. But experts quickly dismissed that theory in the courtroom of logic. The description clearly says in heaven, not near the horizon, not on the mountains. The light was above them, so the fire theory was thrown out. Next came the comet verdict. Historians argued that maybe a blood-red comet had brushed the skies, but cross-examination revealed a problem. No Chinese or Korean records from the same date mentioned such a comet. And in that era, China kept incredibly detailed sky logs. If something that bright had appeared, they would have seen it too. Once again, the theory collapsed under evidence. Then in 2020, a team led by Ryuho Katoka from the National Institute of Polar Research reopened the file. They compared the event with other extreme space weather phenomena. Their conclusion shocked everyone. That red sign was most likely a low-latitude aurora, a massive storm in Earth's magnetic field that caused the northern lights to appear much farther south than usual. The team demonstrated that in 620 AD, Japan's magnetic latitude was different, so a powerful solar storm could have painted the sky blood red, visible even to people far from the polar regions. That strange pheasant tail shape, it matched perfectly with auroral curtains. Those fanning, feather-like streams of red light seen during strong geomagnetic storms. In short, the ancient red sign was not a warning from heaven, but a message from the sun. In the court of science, the verdict was finally delivered. Case closed. The red sign of Japan was a red aurora born from a mighty solar storm. But the case still leaves one haunting question. If such a storm happened again today, one powerful enough to turn the skies of Japan red, what would it do to our world of satellites, GPS, and power grids? Maybe the sign wasn't just for the people of 620 AD. Maybe it's a warning for us too. So next time you look up at the night sky and see a faint red glow spreading silently across the stars, remember the night when the heavens burned crimson over ancient Japan. The night when fear, faith, and science all looked upward, searching for answers. The red sign of Japan, a mystery once feared as divine, now decoded by the light of science.